Yep, that's a fish. Yep, that's a fish. I did catch him. Oh, that's a fish. That's a good one too. That's a good one. Yep. And it's a fish. Last cast, last fish. That's another fish. Oh yeah. See? Oh, this is a good one. That's a good one too. Wait, oh, fish. Oh, this is a good one too. All right. Let's put some work in. There we go. Where are you at? Where have you gone? Don't you want to eat my bait? Please? Please? Oh, yeah. Yep. I told you. You just gotta sing nice to them. You just gotta sing nice to them. Let them know that you're a friend of theirs. And they'll come biting every time. Oh, shoot. Here we go. Hi. You gonna stop? Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. All right. So, nice little dude. Go tell all your friends that I'm here to catch you. Bye. Okay. So, until further notice, this will be the bait. This will be the bait that they want. Until further notice. Until further notice, we're going to be catching them on the fire craw. That's too bad. That's too bad. Oh. The same spot. The same fish doing the same thing. That's almost 5 times in a row. Am I just bad? I think I'm bad. I think that's what it is. That's why they call me the casual fisherman. That's why they call me the casual fisherman. Well, we're going to see if we can get him. This battle ain't over. Who's going to... Oh, yeah, got him. Same spot, same fish. Oh, he came off again. Oh, goodness, that's 6 times in a row. This is ridiculous, guys. This is absolutely ridiculous. I think I'm bad. I think that's what's going on. I think that's actually what's happening. So, we ain't giving up, though. Same spot. Will he commit? Let's see if I can get good in this next cast. It felt like a good one, too. It really did. I ain't gonna let this fish outsmart me, though. We're staying here until I lose another bait or I get this fish. Weird. I mean, there's no way you guys can see this, but right there by this little log, there's like 5 1-pounders probably. Oh, fish. Oh, this is a good one too. This is a good one too, baby. He ate it again. It might have been the same fish. Don't know. I don't know, but it definitely was in the same area. Okay. So, don't know if that was the same fish that was teasing me that whole time. Sure did feel like it though. Thanks for biting, buddy. Go off. Be with your friends. Ton of bluegill by this log. It means there should be some bass nearby. Yeah, a ton of them. All the small fish are by this log right here, or this tree, but the big fish are somewhere else. We gonna find them though. We always do. We'll find them. They're here. This craw though, it's yummy. It's a yummy one. A log there, and that was definitely a fish. So I think I just kind of pulled that bait right over that log, and it just so happened to be a fish there, and he just didn't want it, I guess. Oh, that's a fish. Yep, so the same spot, same fish. There's a little guy. So, oh, bye, sorry. Okay, well, quick release. But you see what I'm saying? Like, 1 minute, I'm feeling confident. Next minute, there's a fish. So, awesome. But that was a little guy. Not too impressive, you know. But I'm going to see if there's anything else right here. Because they usually run in packs. Typically, where you catch one, pretty good chance you're going to catch another one. That's not guaranteed, but that's usually how it works. Oh, my hook is exposed. These baits don't last too many fish. You can only catch 2 or 3 fish on one of these craws before you got to get a new one. And that's a problem, because I only got 2 left, I think. Just giving it a little tap, warning me that they don't want to play. That's another fish. Oh yeah, see? Oh, this is a good one. That's a good one too. This one actually committed, so we happy about that. We out here putting a hurting on these guys, and gonna have to use the There we go. So, pretty good fish. Haven't been catching big ones, but I have been catching them. All right, we're gonna start walking back. Got a long walk to the truck. Oh, here's a big bass right here. Is he gonna eat it? Probably not, cause oh no, I spooked him, but he was right there. You guys can't see that. Oh, he's still there. Is he gonna eat it? No way, he doesn't eat it, right? No, I just keep spooking him off. It's not a big bass. I mean, it's like probably a 1.5 pounder, but still. Okay. You don't want it. We're gonna keep walking. All right. Just don't get it. Fish. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, yeah. Okay. He's a good one. All right. See, sometimes you just gotta be patient. Wow, he's fighting hard with that mouth open. Holy. Biggest one of the day. That is a good 2-pounder right there. Oh, he's been caught before, too. Look at that big old cut on his lip. That was not for me, but this is the biggest fish today. Probably 2.5 pounder. Maybe a 3 pounder. Unlikely. Right in the same spot that they're always at, too, you know? Okay, you're gonna have to do a little toss. Hey, good luck. Woo! Look at you go. Okay. They just cannot resist the fire crawl, baby. They cannot resist it. That fish has been caught before, too. Let's see if we can catch its brother. Or his sister. Or his mother. All right, we're just slowly making our way back towards the truck. Fishing along the way. Seems like a good spot. About to get bit right now. I got a feeling that I'm gonna catch a big bass. You know, you just gotta get those vibes. Oh, something. Is that grass? Yeah, that's grassy. I'm in grass again. Maybe once I break through that grass patch, there might be one staged up, ready for a bite. Because why not? Keep on trying. A few more minutes. Oh, that's a fish. Dang it, I wasn't ready for it. Oh, that's a fish. That's a good one too. That's a good one. Yas. Man, they fight. They aggressive here. Oh, it's a little guy too. Hi, buddy. You fight. Are you gonna grow up to be a big old 10-pounder? Huh? I sure hope so. Well, thanks for playing. Beep. Let's just keep on giving it to him. Why not? Maybe his friend will bite. Oh, something nibbled. Something gave it a little tickle. Let's keep on going out there with it. I bet you there's one right there. If I had to guess. There's probably one more at least. We didn't catch them all, but we caught a lot of them. But I bet you right there that there's gonna be one. Yes, sir, right there. Maybe not. That's okay. Maybe right here? Yes, I think right here. I think right there. I think that's a fish producing shot. Something. Grass, maybe? Yeah, it's like doggone grass again. Yep, all over the bait. But you know what? We're just gonna throw it back out there. No time to clean it off. Oh, something. You see that? Right by that log. Maybe I'll catch his friend. Maybe I'll catch his friend right there. Probably not. My luck. Ooh, that's a fish. Yep. What'd I say? I did catch him. What did I say? Did you guys see that? That was my luck. And it's a big one, too. A very big one. Easily another 2 or 3 pounder. Dang, we saw that one on that log, too, didn't we? You guys saw that. I'll have to review the video, but that was the one we saw blow up. And I was thinking maybe I'll get lucky and catch his buddy, but we caught him instead. So good for you. Hey, thanks for playing, buddy. Ooh, belly flop. Yeah, sorry about that. All right, we moved a little bit down the lake. Gonna go try our luck on this corner real quick. Got another hour about to fish, so might as well see what's in this corner. Let's see if there's not one right here. Oh, yeah. Ah, he hit it. He took a little nibble out of it, but he didn't get it. It didn't stick him either, so he might bite again. He might bite again. I might get lucky. Nope. Nope, he ran off scared. Oh, another fish. Yeah. Yep, that's a fish. Yep, that's a fish. Oh, yeah. He ran. He got it. Little one. Nothing to write home about, but we happy to catch him. Aren't we happy? Yes, we are. I'm not gonna complain. Who's gonna complain about it? It's a little guy, but he hit it. All right, let's get him back in the water. See you later. Yeet. That wind. And okay, let's see if they're right here. Fish. Oh, it's a good one too. It's another decent one. On that craw again. You know, barely hooked too. I mean, just barely. But you can't be mad. Nice little fish. A little bit lighter color than the other ones I've been catching. Yoink. See you later. All right. So I've been targeting right over here, but they were kind of offshore, or sorry, right there in the middle. I'm guessing there's some type of ditch right here, so we're just gonna keep doing it. Let's try our luck right here. That might be one. Ooh, that just looks like a good spot. That just seems like there should be a fish right there, right on that corner. Fish. Oh, he hit it. He hit it, but he got scared. He got scared. Let's get down a little bit closer to that water. Oh, almost hit that turtle. We'll see if that fish bites again. He hit right about 5 feet off the bank. I just gave it a little tap. See if he hits again. No. He doesn't want to play. Let's see if we can get someone else to play along. Oh, he hit again. Same spot. Oh, same spot. He's right there. He's just chilling. He's like 5 feet off the bank, but he must not be big, or he's just nipping at it. Just a nip. The old nip tip. That's all. Yeah, you don't want it. Let's do one more cast. Right there. He's right there. No, he ain't coming for it. All right. You only get one shot, apparently. Oh, fish. Oh, yeah. Way out there. Way out there. Oh, yeah. That's a big one. Big old monkey. Here we go. Here we go. Just gonna scoot him on in. That's a decent sized fish, y'all. That is a decent sized fish. Barely hooked, too. Another decent one. I mean, she ain't big. Big. But she's a nice little, maybe 1.5, pushing 2 pounder. See ya. See ya. I'm gonna go cast right back to that same spot. Move down just a little bit. See if we can't get something off that grass again. Yeah, I'm in that grass right now. I can feel it. And I wonder if once it opens up, if there's not going to be a bass right there sitting. Nope, not that time. Not that time, but that's okay. We'll just keep casting. All the way out there. Ooh, something. Oh, fish. Fish right on that grass again. What'd I say? You know, these fish are just too predictable. Right in that grass. They just love that grass. Man, he's a fighter. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. All up in that sea. So this is the example. I'm not even topwater fishing, y'all. And this is the grass that they got hiding in. They're playing peekaboo in that grass. And that's what's going on. They're just in that grass, just waiting. Here, let me get that out of your mouth. You got a little bit of salad. Got a little bit of salad in his mouth. But yeah, like I said. Oh, sorry, buddy. Rinse my hands off. Woo, almost fell in the water. I almost fell right in that water. But that's what we're going to keep doing. We're just going to keep targeting that grass. I know, how many times can I say grass in this video? We'll see. Maybe I'll count it. Have a little counter. Nah, I can't do that. I'm not that technical yet. I'll have to hire someone to edit. And I'm just casual fishing, so. But yeah, let's see if we can do it again. See if we can pull them off. All right, I only got about another 10 minutes to fish, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Something's blowing up behind me, but I've already learned my lesson. Don't go chasing blow-ups because they don't usually make any difference. Maybe for some of you guys it does, but not me. I'll just keep our bait in this zone right here. There's bound to be a fish right there. Well, I know there's fish there. I'm just wondering how many are there and if I'll get another one. Oh, fish. Yep, fish. Nice one, too. Wow, he's running. Where did he go? Where did you go? Oh, he's pulling it. Come over here. I mean, barely hooked. Ooh. I'll take that back. He got hooked pretty good. Will I be able to get that fish out? Or that hook out, I mean. Yep, like that. So, they're just there. This one's not that big, but in that same spot, they're loaded there. Bye. All right, I gotta start making my way to the truck. Felt the nibble. All right, this might be the last cast. Oh, that was definitely a fish. Last cast, and it was definitely a fish. Okay, so because of that, I gotta see if my bait is still on there. Okay, we're good. So now this will be my last cast. Same spot. Yep. And it's a fish. Last cast, last fish, big fish. Oh, he's out there too. Come on, baby. Where are you at? Oh, yeah. Last cast, last fish. Oh, that's a good one too. Yes. Come on, dude. My arms are getting tired. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. See? Oh, I know I already said it, but it's that green stuff. They be in that green stuff. And this is the trophy for today. Last cast, last fish, huh? What are the odds, huh? Boom. Thanks for playing, buddy. It's been a lot of fun. Give you a nice little release. Ugh. See ya. All right, guys. That is going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do. If you liked it, please give me a like, a comment, and a share. All right, guys. Peace out.